Hello. Today we will discuss about the Trading View, a beginner's guide to Trading View. Introduction. For traders who love technical analysis, charting tools or initials, Trading View is one option for both and experienced traders, new and experienced traders. It's offer numerous trading and charting tools and also a free membership option. Let's face it, not everyone has the money or need for a blooming terminal subscription. If you are being trading on Binance, you might have already noticed TradingView tools able on the exchange, but without understanding them, it can look at little. There's a huge amount of try, but we're the best place to dive into our beginner guide to see what TradingView offers can do. What does TradingView do? TradingView is a platform that lets you customize technical indicators, create charts, and analysis financial assets. These indicators are patterns, lines, and shapes that millions of traders use every day. TradingView is entirely browser based with no need to download a client. You can also download an app for iPhone and Androids if you are prefer a mobile experience. TradingView was launched in 2011 and now boasted a large user base with 8 million accounts created in 2022. A launch user can chart analyze various stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin with either a free or paid account. And once you created strategies and templates, you can publish your finding to communities. This way, you can build your skills with feedback from other trading view members. TradingView and Binance has built-in TradingView tools in its exchange, allowing users to create charts and technical stimulation. The tools you see on the left are just a small section of what's able and offer a similar experience to TradingView website. This is a chart of TradingView. How expensive is TradingView? As we mentioned, TradingView is free for everyone to use. There are no also paid subscriptions that increase the number of indicators and charts you can stimulate. For beginners, a free account with one chart and three indicators is a good start. You will also have to put up with advisors, but they are not too interventive. Below you see more details on the different packages. Basics $0 and these are the features. Pro $14.95 and these are the features. Pro Plus $29.95 and Premium is $59.95. What is TradingView's social network? TradingView offers Instagram-like features for sharing and showing off trading strategies. The website's ideas and streams page give you a chance to pick up tips or get feedback. If you get at idea page, you will see charts, videos from the other users. Communities members can also get involved in decisions and chart rooms, but members that only user can create and share ideas. So be careful. Every trader have a different style and strategy. So you should not take these are financial advisors. Just like you might watch a toy stream of your favorite gamer, trading streams lets you observe other traders create chart in real time. It's a fun extra feature but still in beta and the amount of content is relatively low. So in another lecture we will discuss about the understanding the trading view. Thank you.